Math application. Question. 3 years ago, the total age of father and son was 49. This year, the age of father is 4 times of that of son. How old are father and son in this year? So, for this question, the information is not enough, but it's not difficult. We can see that 3 years ago, we know the total value of the total age. Then after 3 years, how much it increased? It's 6 because 2 persons there were out 3 each, so we are out 6 totally. Then we can get this number at 55. And then at this point, the 55 is the time point when the father is 4 times of the son. It means that if we divide 5, we can get the age of the son at that time. So we can calculate like this: 49 plus 3 multiple 2 equal to 55 years. Then we use this value divide by 4 and 1 is 5. Then we can get 11 years. 11 is the age of the son. Then we use 11 multiple 4. We can calculate 44. This is father's age. So the answer is this year the father's age is 44 and the son's age is 11. Thanks for watching.